If Yamal ever left for PSG, who in world football could actually replace him?
I mean, it could be controversial for some people, but
Pedri versus Yamal, who's the future face? Ousmane Dembele, biggest waste or just misunderstood? Best manager according to you apart from Hansi Flick? I know the answer by the way. Qualify नहीं करा ना World Cup के लिए?
he's definitely better than Olise. But
Welcome to EJX Create 11 series. Today we will be talking football with Suru from Suru Talks Football, known for his neutral take on Barcelona. First segment is a rapid fire round. Most overrated player of Barca in current playing 11.
Dani Olmo,
One player from Real Madrid that you would secretly want for Barcelona.
Dean Huijsen,
Pedri versus Yamal, who's the future face?
has to be Yamal.
Lionel Messi made FC Barcelona or Barca made Messi?
Messi made Barca toward me, and it was too much of
Okay.
him to over reliance by
2009 Barca or 2015 Barca?
09 yaar.
Ousmane Dembele, biggest waste or just misunderstood?
A waste man.
Robert Lewandowski signing, smart or short-term fix?
Smart signing.
Best manager according to you apart from Hansi Flick? I know the answer by the way.
Guardiola yaar.
Guardiola. I thought you would be saying Lucho, but yes, okay, Guardiola.
Yeah. I love the way he thinks about football is just something I really admire. And someday I wish to have dinner with him, honestly, just to understand what goes on in his head, man. He's just beautiful. Yeah.
So that's up for the first rapid fire round. This is my personal favorite segment. Build your Barca 11 by using current generation of football players. So we are
In that
starting with the
scenario,
goalkeeper position.
अभी Robertson, it would be Harry Kane. Left wing के लिए I will go with Kvaratskhelia. Right wing के लिए I'm going to go with Olise on this one. Cam position I'm going to go with Dominic Szoboszlai. CDM के लिए I'll go with Pedri. Second CDM is going to be Frankie de Jong still.
Frankie.
Let's say goalkeeper position के लिए I'll go with Neuer. Yeah, let's. फिर left back के लिए Nuno Mendes. Center back Bastoni. Left center back के लिए.
क्वालिफाई नहीं करा ना वर्ल्ड कप के लिए?
हाँ. So for right back I'll choose Hakimi. Left back के लिए Robertson होगा. Right back के लिए Hakimi. अभी right center back is the only position which is remaining. I would go with Marquinhos at right center back. Somebody who will bringing that level-headedness in defense. Great ball player and going to be perfect उसके लिए.
Some questions I'll be asking to you and you have to give some opinion on that. So for the first question, Barca are reportedly in the market for new centre back. Who would be your preferred signing for that position? And more importantly, which centre back do you think would perfectly fit Hansi Flick system style of play?
Okay. So थोड़ा मैं detail answer दूंगा इसके लिए.
Definitely, it's that segment only.
No worries. Okay.
हाँ.
So let's say between signing अभी सबको पता है स्ट्राइकर और सेंटर बैक दोनों चाहिए. अगर किसको प्रेफर करना है, मैं प्रेफर करूंगा एक बड़ा स्ट्राइकर आप लाओ एंड सेंटर बैक शॉर्ट टर्म फिक्स के लिए वी कैन get somebody who's like Senesi, who is going to be a free signing. Of course, he doesn't have as much top flight experience as maybe Bastoni or Schlotterbeck does, especially international experience as well. But I think he can still do a good enough job in that center back position. But if you are just talking about only the center back position and nothing else, then I would take Bastoni first hand because he is the one who has been at that. He's been there, done that. I've seen. If you've seen his ball playing ability, that is something we desperately need. There is not a single signing in the entire world who would replace his ball playing ability. That's what he's really good at overall.
If Yamal ever left for PSG, who in world football could actually replace him? A left-footed right wing with his dribbling, vision and goals threat that at 18 almost feel irreplaceable. Only realistic names I want, but I don't want any Olise in that. Yeah.
That's going to be a difficult conversation. I thought about this actually. There is nobody who can emulate what he is doing, especially in the position that he plays currently. So I think we might as well chuck Rafinha in that position and find a left winger instead. And my left winger of choice would be Kvaratskhelia.
Yes.
He's excellent, man. I absolutely adore him. I wish we could sign him, but we are just broke as fuck right now. I think that's going to be yeah.
That's true.
So that would be a possibility. Let's say if we are adamant that it has to be a left-footed right winger, I could see us as giving a shout to maybe. I was thinking about names who could rise up to the occasion. Now there's not many, honestly. There is somebody who is playing in a very smaller team, Ismail Assar, who I really like. On a personal level, I really like him. When I see him play for Crystal Palace, it would be a big step up for him. But let's see. Yeah.
So just to follow through this hub, मेरे दिमाग में एक प्लेयर का नाम है, रेड बुल के लिए खेलता शायद वो प्लेयर, Diomande.
Yeah. I thought about it in him also, but I think he's a bit too young to take up on.
Isn't Yamal भी तो यंग ही है?
Yeah. तब Yamal नहीं होता है. So yeah. अभी I think his breakthrough season. There's a lot of hype, and we see this story so many times. Somebody who is like really hyped up and like burst onto the scene, and one big move and it all goes to waste, man. So I wouldn't want that to be the case for him. So just a more cautious approach, we can say, and just make smart investments elsewhere in the squad. Yeah.
Definitely, you need to do that. And what's your take on Olise?
Olise, Ari is a brilliant player. Yeah. Honestly, I mean, I understand a lot of people do compare him to Yamal. Yamal is. I mean, it could be controversial for some people, but he's definitely better than Olise. But because if you see the way that Olise is treated versus Yamal is treated, right? Yamal is always up against 2-3 players, man. Like Olise doesn't necessarily have that burden on him because in Bayern the team is much more complete. There are people who are busy like with Kane and Diaz, and that allows Olise to operate in much better spaces than Yamal does. But other than that, I think Olise is still an excellent player. Like very, very close second. I don't think there is a lot to separate those two, especially when you compare the output. Right, it's very much an excellent. He's very much an excellent player.